All right, so in this lecture, we are going to learn a little bit about curl commands. So curl command from the terminal, you can use that to basically make a request, make a post. You can even pass parameters, a get request, and so much more. So if you need more help with the curl command, you will simply do like this. All right. So curl is when you want to use your terminal, which I'm in right now, to create a request or do the request and see the response. Now you might be thinking, hey, why can't I just use a Chrome browser or Postman on some other networking tool? You can definitely do that. It's just sometimes you are just at the terminal. You don't want the hassle of opening different windows. So let me put a URL. Let me see. All right. So if I want to see if the URL actually works, I'm just going to put the URL, and you can see it returns me some sort of a information. All right. This URL is from JSON placeholder. I think I have my URL also somewhere. Let me put that, which is going to return all the Pokemons in JSON format. So there we go. These are all the Pokemons in the JSON format. They have ID, image, URL, latitude, longitude, and so on. But the great thing about curl is that you can even post using curl. All right. So let me show you one example. Now this is JSON placeholder website, which has a lot of fake data. And this is obviously jQuery code, but we're not really interested in the actual syntax because we'll be using terminal. All I need is basically the URL. All right, so I can take the URL because this is a post URL, and I'm not going to use Postman or any other networking tool. I'm just going to use uh, curl from the command line. All right. So first you have to say, the syntax is right over here. So first you have to provide the data, and then you have to provide the parameters that you're passing, and then you have to provide the URL. All right. So using that, we have data. Now you have to find out what data you are posting, which is from the model of the data that will be provided by the service. So we need to post title, body, and user ID. So let's go ahead and post title equals to hello, and next parameter body equals to hello body, and if you have a space, then you have to put an ampersand between it, and user ID equals to 999, whatever, doesn't really matter. And then the final thing from the documentation is a URL where you're going to post. All right, so the URL, I believe I already have. Oops, something bad actually happened. Did I forgot? Yep, I forgot to close it. So make sure that you close the code. And there we go. So we get this back. This is the correct result. So you can see without actually going and launching your any kind of a browser or anything like that or networking tool, you can do all of those things using curl command.